welcome to the chapter Respiration and Respiratory System. It is compiled by AKB sir from iBiocare.com. First we should know what is respiration. Actually, respiration is an oxidative process of carbohydrate, proteins, fats to release chemical energy in the form of ATP, and it is found in both plants and animals. But in animals, it is a lengthy and very complex process. Respiration is of two basic types on the basis of oxygen, like aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, the presence of oxygen produces energy with end products carbon dioxide and water, whereas in anaerobic respiration without oxygen, end products are alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, and their derivatives. The types and functions of respiration on the basis of their use, like the primary function of respiratory system is to supply oxygen to body and remove carbon dioxide from it. And actually, respiration has different distinct processes like ventilation, that is movement of air into and out of the lungs, the first point. The second one is exchange of gases between blood vessels and air-filled chambers called alveoli. The third point is the transport of gases between the lungs and the rest of the body tissue with the help of blood vessels. The fourth is exchange of gases between the blood vessels and tissue fluids. And the fifth one is cellular respirations, which takes place inside mitochondria to release ATP in the form of Krebs cycle and glycolysis. External respiration is the breathing process of air into the alveolus through respiratory parts. And gaseous transport is the transport of oxygen with the help of hemoglobin in the blood vessels, which is the second basic process. After transport, the blood vessels then distribute the air to the exchange the carbon dioxide and oxygen to the body tissue fluids, and from the tissue fluid the cell exchange gases to produce ATP with the help of mitochondria. The different functions of the systems are like oxygen intake, number one, which is the first functions, basic functions. Removal of carbon dioxide is the second basic function. Sound or voice production with the help of larynx. Okay, I'll teach in my next video about it. Third one is the regulation of plasma pH to control the basic pH, and removal of airborne pathogen and toxins from the body and with the help of blood vessels through lungs. In lower animals, the body helps in respiration, like number one, the organism exchange gases directly with the help of cell membrane with diffusion, as they don't have the system. In some animals, the surface is flattened, tubular or thin for easy exchange of gases, but in higher animals, the surfaces are not there, but especially system are present. So large animals develop a respiratory surface called cutaneous respirations, increase the surface area for exchange. Okay, thanks, and watch my next video for further studies.